Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Saturday morning, 10 o'clock, is beautiful crisp white morning outside. We are in the second guest bedroom. As you can see behind me, I already started doing all the cutting, so my job for today is to paint this bedroom so that we can get it all set up for guests for Christmas. It's been a busy day. I end up have to do 2 coats of paint on the walls. One was not enough. It was painted with magnolia, so I thought it was a good base, and 1 coat will be enough, but it wasn't. So I end up have to wait to dry the first coat and apply a second coat. If I show you around, so I still have a lot of cleaning to do, as you can see there. I just finished the second coat. The central heating is nearly finished. Mr. B, I've been working on it all day, so we should have warm rooms by the end of today. So I have all this here, some Christmas decorations that are on the way out, as you can see, still some patches of wet paint in there. I literally just finished painting the button, as I told you the other day. I like to paint over the button so it disguises it. That is to put a blind up there, hopefully tomorrow. And all the painting done, that's the main thing. If I can show you something here. From all the places Mia could ever sleep, she chooses to come into the room I'm working on, in front of the mirror that I upcycled a couple of weeks ago, and she decides she's going to sleep in there. As you can see, it has been a tiring day. She's very busy. She's very tired. So yes, this is the mattress for the bed that I hope to assemble tomorrow. So very much done now. I'm loving my light still. I think it looks really nice in here. So that's the second bedroom painted. Next. I want to show you, this is the end result. This is the second guest bedroom. It's completely finished now. If I show you around, so this is the finished room. I still need to buy some lampshades because the ones I had, they got broken in the move. These things happen, so I need to buy a set of new ones. I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. That chair, we already had the chair from the previous house. I actually have reupholstered it a couple of times to suit my decor. Bedside tables, we had them as well. The table lamps, we had them. The bed, I bought the bed on Marketplace, gave it a thorough clean. The mattress, we bought a brand new one, was delivered 2 days ago. Bed linen I already had as well. We are keeping the carpet for now because it's in quite good condition. The mirror that I upcycled a few weeks ago turned out really nice. I always keep that luggage stand, so when we have guests they can put their overnight bag. Again, this is all things we already had, including that storage box. Was originally from our oldest son. It was the toy box, and I have reupholstered along the years to suit the decor as well. Little bit of artwork. A blind. I wanted Roman blinds, end up going for roller blinds only because of money, really, because they're much cheaper. So this is a basket, and you will understand later on why it's here. But yes, overall is pretty much finished, and we are very pleased with the room. I think it looks really nice. It's a very good size bedroom. This is all the cupboards I have showed you guys before. They're already here. We are very lucky. Loads of storage. And now that I have removed the 80s trim and give it a coat of paint, they look really streamlined, really modern. I'm really pleased with them. So it's another tick of the long list is done. So what I would like to do next week is, in the next video next week, I'm going to set up the bedroom for guests. I have a few ideas, and I want to show you guys little things that I would like to do that I believe that it makes the guests welcome. Small details that I believe it makes all the difference to make your guests feel welcome. So if you like the video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Please subscribe so that you don't miss none of my videos. We are now in the beginning of December, and now that this room is finished, I have time now finally to start Christmas decorations. I do some upcycling and recycling and do my own little Christmas decorations. Not all of it obviously, but just some. I like to create some things, so I'm going to try very hard because we have been very busy at work. The company is up and running fully now, and we have been very busy working for clients because we need to earn the money. So I will try to fit in some of my little projects and show you how you can upcycle things that you have around the house, or that you can get very cheap in the charity thrift stores, second-hand shops, and you can do your own Christmas decorations. So I'm hoping to put a few videos up in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully to inspire you guys to do it as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.